Welcome to another weekly market update after the market closed 28th of September 2018. So here's where we look at the big picture each week to see are we in a bull market or are we in a bear market. And that's important because everything you own and do is whether you like it or not tied up with the stock market indirectly or directly. And it also gives us a kind of 9-month warning typically if there's any recessions or any trouble ahead. So it's very important to look at this constantly. And here we are. This is the S&P 500, which is kind of like a benchmark for the whole planet, really. And at the bottom here you can see the years, and here's the price along there. And each little peg up and down is 1 week of action. And what smooths out that action over time for us is this straight blue line here. It's not always straight, but this blue line here, which kind of is a moving average to sort of to see things. And the important thing is that if the price is above it and the thing's pointing up, then that's a bullish, and vice versa if it's bearish. So my proprietary indicator that has a number of things to tell me what's going on said brand new bull market, 7th November 2016, and it's been up ever since and has kept me in the market all this time, despite all the naysayers and the people who are constantly saying it's a top, but then it isn't. They said it was a top here, no it isn't. Here's a new high, and we had another just a week before this week. So one can really only say what I have been saying for what's going on for 2 years now, and that this is a bull market. And the people who have been crying chicken, the sky is falling the whole way up, have missed out on a huge bull run. Of course, it's going to end in the end. And then they'll say, yeah, see, I told you so. But, that's easy. Timing is what it's really about. So bull market it is. Shorter term, we can zoom in here on 6 months. This is one day of action each time. Now we've got a couple of other moving averages to smooth things out for us. And as I've been saying the last couple of weeks, cautiously optimistic. And, that has sort of been the order of the day. It's sort of just about hanging in there. This week was no exception. So a bit of sort of sideways move, but it's a hot market. This uptrend here is intact and continues to push higher. And one can really only say the same for the week ahead. Cautiously optimistic. Watching these levels. It would be nice to see a healthy correction, maybe like this one here comes down to close to the 200-day moving average before moving on again. But the market's on fire. October is typically, we're just about to go in October. October is typically a tumultuous month. Historically, mind you, not as much as July and August. We are due for a correction. It is October. I'm inclined to sort of, just sort of hang in there a bit, but go on amber light for the rest of this month. But then conversely, November and December can be huge, very positive months throughout the holiday season. So, I think it's what I'd like to see, healthy correction in October, and then go from there. But no sign of it yet to tell me that. But I'm not going to be surprised if it does. And I will speak to you next time.